In today's video, I'm gonna unbox and review G-Skill Trident RGB dual channel 16GB kit, especially designed for AMD Ryzen. You can see the model number here. The last letter X denotes Ryzen compatibility. Let me unbox it. These two look absolutely stunning. These are heavy. This white plastic part glows. Here are some samples. If you want more lighting effect, try installing G-Skill's own RGB control software. But first, you have to uninstall your motherboard's RGB controller. This kit can go up to 3200 MHz by overclocking. Performance of this RAM is fair enough. No doubt, this RAM kit can be the first choice of anyone who loves performance with RGB. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Share with your friends.